बनी कांडे चोर।
Excuse me. Can you please tell me this address? Address.
कैसून इले रे तू?
I came from Mumbai.
मुंबई?
Yeah.
अरे मग माहीत मराठीत बोल, इंग्लिश मध्ये काय का बोलतो?
I don't like Marathi. मला मराठी नाही आवडत. I love English only. Tell me fast, please.
एक काम कर, सरळ जा, राईट मार आणि घोसड्यात जा.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it